protect your brain, so my son.
Boy, mommy, I go for relax. I drink up too much rum right now. I don't feel good.
Oh, God. Oh, shit. Oh, God. But was it worth it?
Yeah.
Well, that's half the battle. That's half the battle. But me know something else to put in your mind, you know.
Yeah.
Me know you.
And your friend daughter, I want to know because I like her. Me, I wonder if nothing can go on for me.
What, Chin?
Yeah, she say one.
No, sir. Wanna grow more like brother and sister.
But we no brother and sister.
Wanna sleeping in the same cot, man. Wanna grow together, you know.
But we stop sleeping in the same cot now. Can't sleep back in the same cot now. That's what I'm telling you, someone want her now. Put her in my bed this time.
No, my son. There's plenty women out there, you know. Me now say you can't have feelings, but
So we not gonna look good together. One black and one brown. One curry and one browning.
And everybody knows so no grow so. On the band so me and Candy is so.
But they know so we no family. They know that. Yeah.
So when you gonna provide for you? You can't do that, man.
Me I'm gonna provide for you. And man, me
better
can
you
hustle.
Better you look something for yourself. Get a job, get a work. Stand up on your own foot first.
Better me take her up first. Then I say, alright, how you go? Then we can go hustle up some money and say, yeah, from her partner she can't hungry, you know. Anything she wants, she get that.
So,
and plus, Mr. Boy, I not too cookie neither, you know. But me cook be mackerel and rice feeding pan.
and who want that?
No,
Which young girl want mackerel and rice every day?
You say better she eat it, so why she can't eat it?
No. Stand up on your own foot first. Get a job. Get your own money. Then you know, so you're independent, and then you can go look a woman.
But if me go look at money first, then me go look at woman. The woman not gonna want me. And money she gonna want. But time I go to her without the money in my pocket and see if you think we work out. If you work out, you know, say, alright, and me she want the money she want, you know. So if I broke today tomorrow, she not go left the next day. So we go and build back with me and build on some style.
But Chin, really? You drop on your head jawbone. Why you have to really look there so?
So what do Chin so? Your friend come.
Hey, what? Give thanks.
One mother-in-law.
Me give thanks. I went picnic drop.
Mother-in-law, what go on? Good morning.
Shani.
Mm-hmm.
How are you doing? You drunk?
He must be still drunk. He got a rum bar yesterday. He must be still their name and he's still high.
You drunk?
Must he?
You know, tell him say you is my best friend, but you know say my head no good and me mad, me psycho.
Him born in your hand, him know that.
So you know, tell him say a 10th floor you can't take me from. And you know, tell him say you figured to collect my medication them from the people them up there. Tell him don't play with me. What you mean, mother-in-law?
You come.
I'm here rank with you and no manners. Boy, me a big woman for you. Me and your mother is friend. Don't talk while I'm talking and no call me no Candy.
Miss Candy.
Miss Candy for you, of course.
Yes, me in love with
Be
the
a man
daughter.
blast after all.
Yeah.
Who the hell you think you is?
You can make something work out,
You
man.
could, what can work out between you and my daughter? Who the hell you think you are? Eh?
Jawbone.
You don't have nothing. Yes, it's just a jawbone and nothing left. Nothing no left behind
Remember
the jawbone.
says my
Only
son.
jawbone.
Remember still is
no,
my
you
son.
listen. You need to put him in a place, you know, because this boy need to go look okay and Charmian.
Me that
And stop
me
stress
talk
out
to
you.
him about that.
Yes, thank you.
Me I talk to him
So what
about
do
that.
me, so?
You
So me
see,
can't-
I mean, never hear say she tell us if you go look work. This a confirmation. That means you need to go look at job. Why you want my daughter?
Come
If
like
you do
her.
what? Like?
Me love her.
Just like?
More bill with her.
Somebody we could have be your sister. I want to grow up together.
We might grow together, but we're not family. We're not related. We don't have the same bloodline.
And look how much
Family
women
friend.
out there.
We are very close. We
Family
uncle no
friend.
blood. I'm not underneath my jurisdiction. Not no. No, me say no. It cannot happen. Take it out of your mind.
Eh?
Take it out of your mind. Just take it out of your mind.
Look how much women
This
out
is
there.
my friend like my sister. You now come make me and she break up because of you.
So
Boy,
when
me
you
used to
break up,
clean
so?
your nappy.
daughter used to me, a big boy now.
So why me fi come have you as my son-in-law? Boy, when me used to clean up if
Because
you
you
come be
know,
my...
alright, if I want different man out there now that ill to the daughter, you know me good enough, so me not do that
Nah,
and
this is
nothing.
section me no. I'm a friend, cause the whole way I come from for.
So I
I know how far me I come from, I know how far me they know. I know say God knows part me I go. Listen, you see you? You need to come out of your mother place and go look work. And stop from stress out the woman and then I can't tell
Who me
me.
a stress?
As me come here not even...
Mommy, I say mommy.
Say morning. You the jump down me
So me not say morning.
Mother-in-law.
Say good morning, mother-in-law, and even a
the
shake
boy
my
when
hand.
me talk, don't talk. Have manners. You get big nose so you feel high. Big up yourself. You cannot get my daughter. You will never get my daughter. No disrespect here, my friend. You poor. My daughter don't have it. That means she what to?
She poor, so
yes.
we can build, we can
So
start
guess
something
what?
together.
You see whatever God bless me with? I'm not going to give my daughter for my daughter give it to you.
No, me will give her. Me will
poor,
work out
I
there
go
and
to
give.
poor. Where that I go?
Rich is that.
Where?
Hey.
You're crazy. You see it? You see saying
Before you start talk about you go look at work or go study
tell you
to
what
get
one
a
of them are
better
doing.
job or start a
So me tell you,
business.
look at work.
What kind of work?
Mind me can't go. If me have money now, she not go want me. If me I have money, she gonna want.
I know every woman's place. So
Okay.
shut up your clappers.
Nowadays,
Shut up
woman
your clappers.
stays
A matter
up.
of fact, nobody think about my daughter, whether you have money or not. Nobody go that the road there. Cause me no want my daughter live or go down in a no poor lane.
Not
You
that
need
I'm
to
going to
make
be
your
poor
fat-
forever.
Look here.
Him have potential, him just a waste it.
Oh, you need to make your mother proud of you. Make one day out of the 7. Your mother can call me and say, well, my son get a job and him a live a happy life and he have this. And every minute you man call me and stress me out take of you.
You know what one granddaughter, mommy?
Where? From where?
How the granddaughter or grandson are going to survive?
Tappy,
Me also-
Tappy
me also
rubbing
make
at
you
your
survive.
sperms. Which daughter? Look here. Hello.
Nothing wrong. One rum baby that
He's
name.
still asleep. Wake him up. Wake him up. Wake him up and don't make him put no more gray hair in your head. Okay, you can have more children. Now make him tired your
Which more children? Which more children? He thinks that me what?
Look
No.
at it nice.
No, me
She
not
really
have no
Tell
more.
me so if one man
She
see
reach
you
the
we
limit
really
now, she
want you to
can't.
be married and they
Me
want
no want no
children, you
more.
have to go
Pitney.
give them.
And got
She
through
reach
it.
the
No,
limit now.
sir.
Every pitney I know you see him crosses. You
No,
can't
mind
see.
you, I'm a son.
You will
So
no matter, you will get one good pitney. All of
Me
them.
good.
That's
Him
why you
good
feel
in
breed.
other
Have
ways.
no pitney like me. You know so much me have 11 and the whole of them pupa jankra me one be father and mother
Much
for
have
them.
again, Miss Candy?
11.
11.
Yeah.
Me know some of two guys school focus now. Me know say.
Shut up your head in your mouth and stop scratch your dirty head in front of me.
I know, but I try me which number that they fall, which part.
You nothing know it we older than you. So we will know
11.
numbers that you don't know.
11, 10.
You see how you want dress?
That.
Natika.
You mean a brown?
Them people sit me must see teeth.
Hi.
Come on, you know, you know
Mine, how
how to
you
buy
call me son thief, you know? Come in now, go in there with the daughter.
You want for this?
Look here.
So mine,
And
make we
9.5
change the
is not
subject
the kind
and change the
9.5.
Where you
energy.
get that from? Are you not
And
working?
me buy my
Oh, that's
son
kicks.
clothes.
You know kicks?
Mind yourself, you know, Candy.
9.5.
Mind yourself.
How much money you pay for?
9.5.
Me not listen to you, because me say everyone may have something. How much money you pay for?
9.5.
You
for
don't need to
and
answer.
make she help do something.
Candy, you not come here for this.
No, me talk to you.
No, you not come here for
Well,
this.
stop complaining to me about
Me
it.
now complain
Listen,
to you,
man.
you're out of
When
Candy.
me
Me
house
and
can't
you,
sing my
no,
bucket pan the
No,
road,
well,
you
me
know.
may have sitting, because you look like you are idiot.
me no want me and you have nothing.
Okay.
Cause me no want go there.
Run out who?
Run out, man.
She must run out here all when time me and her friend and
Man,
your
run
son
out
because
here,
you just
man.
All right,
you,
done
man.
the argument, man.
Oh,
Done the
Charlie.
argument.
You want
You
to
see,
mash
You
it?
don't know what
the
kind.
the money we call me ask
You
me
want
for,
to
you
mash
know,
it,
if
mommy?
you care come in and this boy come and
You want to
contaminate
mash
the
it?
street, don't you take up for him.
You want
Load
the
that
machine?
and go inside. She's still a big
Are
woman to
you
you.
call me in up on phone, you know, I know me come to you this boy. Go on in. Let me chat to your mama.
Me call to you for chat to you. Me never call to you for ask you for
You
nothing.
ask me for money on the phone. So me tell you, say me okay care what me have, come give you. No, you dey
When
come
me
back
ask
to your
you
fee,
for
me dey
money,
come.
Candy, me good. Me never ask you for
Oh, say no
money.
want it?
If you want to give me money, me will take it,
Oh,
yes.
so me a idiot, I walk around and I give people money for nothing
If
at
you
all. And
want to
beg
give me will
So you
take
see,
it.
me and your friend, first time you used to come here, I just son. When last I see me just walk up here, now you call me? Oh God, Charmian. You look like your son, they drink too much rum and I turn you in an idiot. You forgot to call me on the phone?
Candy, we call you and we are chatting a reason.
And what you
Hey.
say? You forgot some way you say?
Hey.
Mercy. Okay. Money I know nothing way. Afraid to
And
stay
money
with
make
me.
friend and break
money
friend.
is, I don't know who afraid of me. Money love me. Money is something that love to stay with me. So guess what? Thank you for telling me say next. So it's just the people and the neighbor them a look your name. Call me ask you, but everything good. Why go on differently?
Me good. Me I give thanks. Me there and I look and I live and I give thanks.
Me and
Me have to
friend
love.
What is step on you, so? Me and friend but me not telling lie look like white squall kill you look hungry.
Oh God.
What you mean? Oh
I mean,
God?
me
But me
hard.
tell money come get you come go like I say no want. You don't tell me say
Well, it's the way you carry it and I broadcast.
No, you
Him
see-
over the mountain I must see here.
you know
Me
what
not
I'm
like my
asking
business
for
spread so. You come and the way you come in with the energy.
Then me a talk to your son now for you complain to me about your son. And then you really take up it like he look like I say I know you they tell me about him. Like me
But me never tell you if you come in and come disrespect me in my own
That
house and I
kind of
call him
disrespect.
thief in front of me. No, Candy, you
So
can't
me-
pass your
No,
place,
no,
man.
but you know saying
Me
thief.
no come and
Thief.
don't do it.
You know
Don't
saying
do
all is a
it.
thief, and
Don't
that's why
do
police
it.
them all is a
Don't
call
do
them a
it.
station and you bail him the last time.
Which
And I
dream
would
you
give money.
have?
Figure a court go pay for money for when you went take the
Candy,
people
that's
them
why
TV.
sometimes people don't like talk to you, you know.
Yeah,
Because
where you
you
tell
go
me
in
your
a
business for?
dreamland.
Yeah, dreamland.
And then you make up the rest.
Hold on.
Oh, God.
So the time when you got court and you did the ball and they son go me alone as friend, you know, no family. And you call me and me come take me last partner money and give you. And you pay the judge it. Cause he sell the people them TV. Who did help you? You see you stay? If me and never friend me wouldn't do that. No, me I talk to your son
Candy.
serious and low they come go like me at insult.
Hey, no, there's ways to do things. That's why me even.
Them a boy,
No, I'm a son. Them the boy, I'm a son.
It's all right.
Me
Big up
don't
yourself. You know,
disrespect
say
him.
that-
Me know things about it
I
that
do.
time. Me no go
Shut-
waller it out the road.
You feel waller it.
Because you feel raise your picnic, me raise mine.
Watch out, this a boy you done raise. You know, no raise again and see a big man, big old 20-year-old. Where they talk about? So if you see my
Candy,
daughter as
go
a
deal
friend
with
and
your-
talk to my daughter, me go vex about it, you're an idiot.
Mm-hmm.
You're
Let
a
me
fool.
tell
Look
you-
why
let me
you
tell
all
you-
the go
Look
on with me to me and
what
talk to your
piss you
your
off,
son.
so?
I go
And
like
what
a
kind
seminar
of things you not get this morning
And
that
this-
come, you
no,
coming in my
Shamim,
yard
you
with your
go
bad
here.
energy? Go
And
on
this-
then, man.
And
You
this a call
still
me down
there.
here. Stop calling me on phone and tell me about your son. Because when you talk to your son, you don't like it. Because I'm not going to take time to talk to your
Go
son.
on
He
then,
not
man.
pick me. He's a big man, so I have to
Me
deal
not
with
see
him.
you deal with your daughter, son. Your daughter needs some
You
real
tell her.
talking to.
You know
so
say
go
something
on.
deal with her.
Go on.
You know me
Because
avoid
while you
them.
watch my pot,
Me
your
have
pot
avoid
as
you.
well,
We
Candy.
have a problem.
And
You don't
what
know
do
what is
you
best friend,
so?
you don't know
And
what
what
is good
kind of
friend.
spirit
Me a try
come
to
in
tell
you
your son
so?
how to live and go look work
Oh
and be a
God,
better person
Candy.
and look
You
at
really
different
never
girl.
gonna get happy.
Oh, so me did tell a friend if you come there with me daughter and you have dry shit in her body wall. Like seriously?
So what? This is
Poor.
really what you need
I
your
go which
heart.
part?
Okay, it's a come out now.
No, me ask you one
So
question.
everything, cause me not do things
What
to you and
they
you
come
do
out now?
things
me
to
don't
me.
tell him in front of you. What is the problem? And you
Okay.
vex to the way you me attack me. No?
Okay.
You see, as long as
And me
you see me,
disrespect your daughter
me
like
no
that.
care if
All
you want
right, no
disrespect her. She a
problem.
big woman, you must can talk to her
Okay.
any
You
me
raise
your
your
friend.
picnic
You're
how you raise
unfair.
your picnic and me raise mine how me raise mine.
Like you want
Me
some
not
more
come and
children.
disrespect chin the
You want
things
some more
me
children
know
for two,
about
'cause
her.
big old house
Oh
steering
God,
man
you gotta
that.
have them for me.
Yeah, man, me
Gotta
go
have
have
them
them
for
for
me.
me. My friend belongs to you. Let me tell
You
you.
well, you have plenty, so you're well
I
experienced.
11 of them.
Yes,
I
go have
mean,
12 teen.
Oh,
What
you're
do you
lucky.
candy, man?
I could have 40 teen. I don't care
Oh,
what you want to say. You
God.
think you can't tell me nothing if you hurt me? You are idiot when people
Oh,
talk to you
God.
big old dirty teeth in son.
Mind your
You take it
pressure.
on your head.
Mind
And
your
they go on like I
pressure.
say, oh, Candy, I'm a friend and him and this is why I'm
Mind
not
your
talk to her daughter.
pressure.
So you
Oh,
see you?
God.
You see you,
Hush.
Charmian? I will
Hush.
never see you come back and complain to me about your dirty
Hush.
teeth. in
Mind
son
your
again.
pressure.
You
Yeah.
know me,
Walk good. And mind your pressure.
Man, no call back me phone.
Mind your pressure. Jaja, what kind of devil this you sent to me this morning? First thing with him foolishness, said she.
How you do on the road?
Mount I son. I tired like what? Over Charmian, me I come from, and you know my friend how she live far already. Me tired like what, and then she just one like she do and come stress out my head. But me not worry about she. She my friend, and me know say so she can. When you tell her the truth, about fear picnic, although you bad too. Yeah, two of grow up big now and a time for no sense. No parents are supposed to. I know friend. I tell you no this and I tell you no that. But from people still know I do wrong. I don't care. I don't chime in and your mama. She's supposed to can talk to you serious to make you turn up on your foot and hold up on your head. Yeah? I have ambition. Anyway. Yes, let me tell you what I want to talk to you about. You have no little secret where you want to tell me about?
No,
You sure?
I'm not sure.
I don't know if you're sure. I just ask if you're sure. You feel know if you're sure.
I'm sure, I'm sure.
You're sure?
Yeah, I will go on.
Okay. All right. I got still ask you. All when time you big woman, I ask you. Because you're still underneath my roof, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Anyway, you don't have no little boyfriend they keep where me no know about. Because if you get pregnant, you know, you must go stand up as a man to it.
No, I'm not a boyfriend.
You know, see nobody where you like or so.
Oh, yeah. I see somebody who me like.
Who you talk? Job one?
Yeah. How you know?
Or me, you know?
Yeah.
You know, me adult, me older than you. You're 20 yard. Me a big woman for you and me your mother at the end of the day.
Mm-hmm.
Me have experience. You don't have to tell me. Me can see things. Remember, tricks and trade and matches boxing business. You might not know me I say about a parable. When you get older like me, not even have to be my age, but when you get bigger, you know, you will understand. You will know. Enough things my people them talk when me did small and since me big me find out what them did I say. So you will know one at a time. Anyway, what you seeing a job one?
Me not know. Just
The
know
same thing?
say me like him and he like me back.
Lord of mercy. They say you're gone wrong. One big dot is stinking red flags. Here and now. Chin, you're my daughter. Me mean good for you. I know nothing bad me they tell you. You want to tell me say out of all of the man them in a your age group are older than you. Me not say if you go there with old man, me know what me mean.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
it don't make no sense to there with younger than you. Me mean if you not see nobody who mature, have experience, we have education and ambitious, where you can talk to. You look for the lowest class. So your self-esteem gone down. That's you choose. Look who you choose. Job one could have been my son when me change too much pampers and nappy offer when he did young. You have to say you're job one related, you know, although no, nothing, you know. Remember, wait, hold on, stick a pin. Me so make you talk. Because it's what we can't talk one time. I want you get what me I say. So don't confuse me. My daughter, listen, me not quarrel. But more me have to talk to you hard for you get it. Me and Charmian is friend. For a long time, way back when. Before me have kids and before she have kids.
You hear what you say, friend?
I'm my best
Not
friend.
family, friend.
Friend. Me and her a family friend.
Well,
So, me who don't want to see you go there with Charmian's son. Alright, Charmian's son as my friend. Come. Remember, say Charmian as I'm a friend, you know. She don't know as my friend. She am my friend, my best friend for a long time. We name out of the same pot. Me sleep at Charmian yard, she sleep at me yard. The only thing me and Charmian do and we will never do that. We don't wear one another dress nor one another clothes. But me and her a friend like that. Although just take a while, I go down her yard and me dey talk to her son. Because she know her teeth in suntan, you know. And when me dey talk to that you did to find out before you put yourself in a relationship where you don't know about. Let me tell you something, my baby. Me soon talk about Charmian and he little idiot son. I'm a friend, but I'm a liar. Charmian, me say a idiot and his son a idiot for they come look you kind of no money. That me mean. Me no mean say my idiot and he no sense. You know what me mean? Because if you don't have no money and the woman where they look no have no money, where they go? You're a damn fool. Poverty, poorness, sufferation, where they go? Look how you're pretty. Look how you're nice. Why you choose job one? You not say no man.
him choose me.
So you know no mindset of your own. You not have a mindset of your own will and wish for you think and know whether me like that man or not. Or me want go the road there or not. Or this I want travel upon this road there.
You kinda like him.
You kinda like him, that's what you say. You better make sure what you do. But anyway, as I was saying before, me nah make you nor job one make me and my friend break up. Although this little while she talk to me one kind of way and me have to talk to her one kind of way too. But she is still my friend. So you see, me don't know, me just want to show Charmian the difference. Because look how much Charmian see you and talk to you. And you tell me no feel no way, I'm my friend. You're never too old or too young to learn. Charmian can talk to you too and school you too. All when me hear say they chat up to one little fool boy, eh? She can talk to you too. I don't have a problem with that. Me they talk to the woman's son, and if you hear her, she they go on like I say, me our enemy. Or mine they come name to Charmaine, you know. I tell Charmaine no me say you not fit talk to her
No
son.
fan when me not see that woman there.
No style my friend so. She named Charmaine, you know, I miss Charmaine for you.
Woman.
Okay.
She's a woman.
She's a woman, but me know when you say they want that the woman, they not do that. She soon look into herself. I bet she come back. I mean, no, she's there. She go come back to me and tell me, oh, she's sorry and her son this and her son that and Rebecca. If her style that me know. So me just walk out her yard like a while. Anyway, please me I beg you. Anytime you want a good man in your life, think first before you make a step and pray and ask God about it. Make God choose you, okay? So anytime you choose yourself, you're always wrong. When me choose myself, me wrong. Me have to put everything in a God and I make him choose me. Because God know what's best. He know what you need from what you want and what you don't want. What we confuse, what we make you uncomfortable. Because suppose you reach with Jabo now. Jabo not even work.
You can't reach reading partner because we never reach the desert yet.
Enough you go no way. Because Jabo can't even spell his name. Yes, as
So
big as he is there. What? As big as he is, I'm a friend. I feel they take him when he drinking rum and come in. I give him coffee and sitting and he have hangover and all kind of sick and they vomit and all kind of thing. I'm a friend, I feel they making him learn to read now and again. I Jamal, my friend, I plan to send him.
Although I don't run the place still. So.
Where they go here now?
Up a yard me I go. Up a yard I go to.
Come on. Me and you we talk. No, but I want to discuss nothing more upon you.
Oh God. Watch my friend now. Jesus. Whoa. Yes, my friend. Wow. I'm tired. So you good?
You sound like you're run, so are you saying Bolt?
No, I just feel wonderful and excited.
How am you?
A new chapter begin. Anyway, we don't talk about that yet. Your daughter get so big now, man.
Where you watch my daughter for?
In the adult world and now.
Me, so what?
Huh?
How long time you watch my daughter? You know,
No, really, not say that, man. Just like how she graduate and out school and become an adult. And, you know, me single and free and I would have take somebody home.
How you want to take? Want some water? You can buy one bottle of water for me?
No, I'll be right here now.
No, wait, let me put you in a fair place. You think say true me and your friend? Me and your friend for a long time. That means say, me must give you my daughter for carry your yard. Because she turned adult now.
Me can't mind her now, you know.
What kind of work you do?
We win the lotto. Yes. You know, you about it. How to me I keep silent? Is that we are planning to buy 3 vaccines put on the road. We'll give your daughter one and put somebody for run taxi. And we'll get one for you and give somebody for run taxi. So
no, I'm nothing from you. Talk about my daughter.
All right. We'll give your daughter every benefit when you get.
Me no want nothing from you. Talk about my daughter. My man there senti. Him have whatever he want.
All right. I talk about your daughter. I like your daughter.
Talk about my daughter.
I'm going to win the lotto. I want to take care of her.
So what that have to do me when you see my daughter, you talk to my daughter about it, because what you try for me do? Push my daughter upon your true, you have...
Because you know me and you know me a good man.
Me know say you're a good man?
Yes!
You see...
How many times you carry a bucket of water?
You see, me put on my good clothes. Me put on my good clothes. I walk out on the road, go check one of my friend them, not you.
You show me
I know you're ready
person.
for me nasty up my clothes with pay dirty all out of my mouth. Listen.
No, listen now. A real man wanna come to you and say they like your daughter.
And I come out sitting like me an idiot. So a real man wouldn't come to me for true and they tell me how me have money, me have much boss and me go give your daughter one and me go give you one. You're a liar from the pit of hell.
No, me win the lotto for you.
What?
Me win the lotto.
That you did say?
Yes! I win the lotto. I win it. Me say, when I hear say I win it, me faint. And when me faint, me get up back and me look for the ticket, me faint again. And me say, property done.
So Papa,
huh?
I really faint or you just lay down and get up back?
No, you know them faint, them have to aki. Woo! And get up back. And go back again. Woo! Every minute me look for the whole night. They couldn't sleep. All night me I watch the cars. Me no want the ticket to walk away. So I just hold it all night and I look on it so. And I say, God, You're amazing. I'm gonna look for Candy first thing in the morning and tell her. Because she alone can keep her mouth. Me not want to tell Charmaine.
Me alone can't keep in my mouth.
Me no want
You
Charmaine.
sure say me I go keep that in my mouth?
No man, you keep him man, because your daughter benefit from it. Me can't tell Charmaine, his son will rob me.
Look here, Charmaine and my friend, although she disgusting and I like listen, love load up her mouth and I shut and I make be nice. And my friend don't talk nothing bad about her.
No, me not talk his son, me say his son with thief.
No call my friend name. My friend is my friend. As she just feels say me I insult her friend, make sure I deal with me certain type
Alright,
of way.
yeah. So me change the ticket.
I'm my friend.
I'll give you $5 million to make his son back way. Come here to this son.
You just so look at me just so and give me $5 million like me in a business. Now my daughter you say you want.
Yeah, but
If
me
you
want
go
you make
give me
his son
$5
back way.
million, how much you
Because
give
the
me?
son, me did see your daughter yesterday
If
still
you
in
go give me $5 million, me ain't no way I won't go friend. How much
Yeah.
you go give me daughter where you look?
20 million. Yes, I know me win.
Ficho,
Yes,
so you getting money already?
yes. Me not directly get it in my hand, but me get the check.
So you're still in a this when me know you're in a from how long? This a old idiot.
No,
dirty crooks,
watch
yeah.
that. If the moment me jest, at the moment me get knocked.
That's
can't.
why.
You see, me have to mass up to collect the little money.
How where you go collect it? Cause me yes, somebody in a Westmoreland win for you know.
Yes,
How did you?
yes.
Me rotted
In a
boy, you
South, me
lucky
buy
you
the
fat.
ticket.
Where?
In a South, me look on the road and me just see 6 sign. And me say, yes. I buy the number here, you know.
Which road you look on?
Like me in a South, and me see 6 sign. Me
Oh,
see a
South.
fatty.
Oh,
And then me see a old man. And then me see, a maga man. And me I say, alright. I can buy them, you know. I just buy it.
so you're lucky, me rotted judge.
Yeah, man.
So if me give me daughter, you have to go put more money on that $5 million there.
Alright, I give you 7 million.
7 million.
Yeah.
Give me 4, send it to my account. You want wicked, me not believe you.
Me tell you, say me not get the money in my account. Me get the check.
You not just tell me right so you're getting money already. But I'm happy. And when me a chat about your slippers, when me know you're in a from much years. Look there. I want to hold it right there so. And you go tell me about no, because me have to mass up coming and want then come rob me. You want actually you talk you win a lot of it.
Win the lotto.
Me no know if me feel believe you, but if you say you win,
Yes,
you know.
let me see your data, you know.
No, me yes, somebody win in a Westmoreland for you, but me I wonder if I you.
Oh, me, man.
I don't trick me.
No, I wouldn't. Yesterday, me see your daughter, me I talk to him. Him and them boy in like Jabon.
Like which job one? You're crazy.
She tell
You
me.
think say Supreme Venture? The people that want Supreme Venture would really want to look on job one ticket and give money to him saying win?
Ah, Tio.
Me and your friend and you win and you have to get my daughter. You crazy?
Thank you. I will see you later, yeah? Me I go rush because the check. Me I go pick it up and carry go to the bank.
So quick you go.
Yeah.
So when me I go get family little dividends?
Give me 2 months. I get it.
What you mean?
Eh?
So now money I go pick up now.
I check.
Me we take back my chat in no car. Me no
No,
my
I
daughter,
pick up
you
the
know.
check.
No, sell me my daughter, you know.
No.
And you come and promise me money and boy you want me daughter, Papa, don't make me have anything.
No, pick up the check.
Alright, go on.
All right. Later, young friend. All right.
First, he's sitting down. Chin! No, me thirsty. I ain't no want a little drink she can even buy give me. Eh? Me a dear good man, you know, want chat. Chin!
How do you?
Sit down right there, so come here, call you. You're just there right there in your room and you're that dead if you answer. Me think you're
You
asleep.
never hear.
Me think you're asleep or you're gonna road and not tell me, girl. Oh, money when me did want Papa give me some money for pay for it. Anyway, I need you to go down, Papa. Remember, I did talk to you about it already. I want you to go down to Papa yard. Kind say he wants to see you and he have some money to give you.
I don't know where he live.
I tell you already. You want me to tell you again? Remember, I did call you on the phone and tell you which part you live and sitting. You're going like I say, no, Papa. You see, you think you're easy. Anyway, Papa is an ambitious person. And he have money a long time, I know him. Me want you talk to man we have money and we can help you. Me need say if you go love Popeye or like love him falsely love. Me want you to love Popeye from your heart, real love. And not true have money. Make me a send it to him. I want part of it still. Because me no want you chat to no man when I no money for you. But differently, Popeye a good youth. You can talk to him. And then he have money pan top of it that make me worse they push if you go talk to him because me not tell no lie, me no want you suffer. Me and you send it to man with money. Me not tell you if you go do nothing with him, you know, and Papa and I go hold you down. Me know his style. If you ain't like you or love you for true, he might take time and take care of you until your love grow for him. You can married little more in a life and give me a lot of grandchildren.
Oh.
So more you have to go down and yard. Look here. Look on this. You see this?
Mm-hmm.
Look on it good. You know what kind of phone this?
Mm-hmm.
You see it nice?
Mm-hmm.
You look like him and see watcher. You gone on camera. Let me take out you make you see it. Because I don't know where you are going like I say you know no sense. You're a young girl. You want one right in phone.
I want 13 Pro Max this.
Yeah?
16 Pro Max.
Huh? What kind of max?
16.
Yes. And guess who buy this for me?
Oh.
No more Popeye. A Popeye buy this gimme. Popeye buy this simika. He say he want me to be him.
Mother-in-law?
They no more sa could else. I could never daughter-in-law. So Popeye is my what? Son-in-law because I'm Popeye go there. He have money and you have to talk to him. Talk to him, girl. I know nothing bad me to tell you. Talk to man we have money and we ambitious. We can put you higher in a life. Me not send you to no broke pocket man for you go suffer. Who want here say me they tell us so. Cause ain't dirty nobody over there so you know. Me not like how they say you know they love listen people business. And if they want turn over the yard and hear me and go discuss me and chat about candy they send out in data to man we have money. So what if they want send for them data to broke pocket man that for them business? I don't give a damn. A matter of fact you know me already as your mother. I do not care when nobody want to say when I tell you to talk to somebody that can help you. You understand?
Yeah.
And if Papa don't have no money, me I tell you to left him backside. You understand? So I must see thief money then and buy this gimme. But I mean no say it's Papa buy this gimme.
Okay.
Yeah. And he will give you more than this. Cause if me I just see mother-in-law and he can buy me one phone that's so expensive. Why won't you? Papa will give you house, land and car and everything.
Oh.
So just go check him. Yeah.
Right.
And he no fussy. Me not say and him no maybe do something down the line, but me not think him a go force on himself by you. It's up to you, you're 22. You can decide for yourself, but at least me not my daughter, me not send you to go sell your body. Me know you follow your little dirty foot friend up the road. That's because she had to pay broke pocket man we drink rum. Papa have ambition. So even if Papa tell me lie or a chew in the talk, me don't know where you get money from, but I him buy this gimme for chew. Yeah. And any day me find out say lie Papa they tell. That means you're thief and money and buy this. You know me no grown corner and come round corner, you know. Well he must know when he get money from if he buy this gimme. But I mean know he have money to he tell me and then he go buy this a phone and give me. My mind tell me say he have money. And plus him say he win lotto and sitting, remember.
I believe in
Yeah, me believe. All if I lie, I tell me believe because why would I just buy it? So I saw him fool that buy one phone, give me just for chat to me that and tell me lie say win lotto.
Buy for sure.
Me no know if a thiefy, well I know me thiefy. And him thiefy and me don't know if a thiefy, he tell me say I buy and he show me receipt. So why thiefy receipt too?
Oh, bro.
Okay. So make sure say you go down a yard and talk to him. Me tell you when leave you. Want me tell you again?
Remember no.
Cider, Miss Hyacinth yard, the biggest house you see down there, you tell me say a famous. Unless a lie material, I don't know. But I over there in stay for true. Unless some people gonna foreign and live in the intern.
Oh, bro.
So make sure say you talk to him with manners and respect because relationship need respect and trust. Yeah. Okay. So go on now.
Alright, me go down there now.
Alright.
Girl,
Yeah.
like you wait for somebody, man.
Are you me away pan?
Like you time me.
Yes.
I don't
Come I
somebody
did see your
come from.
pass and I did want to ask you where you go. You did for walk past and call me. I brush my teeth right out through there somewhere. And I saw you walking past. You didn't even say, Kayla, you didn't even shout me name or nothing. So I said, alright, let me sit down and lay away. Take I have to pass back go where you go.
No, girl, you know, say I look what he is me the in a mommy they send me out still.
So, what type of yes?
Oh, my friend, Mas George, say me if you go give something out, then me go.
Oh.
You know, say mommy, she I can't tell me, say me enough in the job one. And I say why me never find somebody else. But me I try make you know say, you know tell me say me and job one grew up together and then something. Me I say it better when me know him for a long time.
Yes, that's true, you have a point. But
like they want to choose for you, girl.
I don't want to choose. I feel like she want to choose you, but she want to choose what better for you. Job one can't, you and job one grow up together, you know him and everything, but you can't cook. When we go name raw food,
Back
it one work. Where money all come from? Well, take my piece of foolish advice. Ask yourself deep in your heart if you want there with him. Ask yourself if you know say to one broke and go through whole heap of hardship if you're willing to go through hardship them together. Choose where your heart wants. To see if your heart say if you go take him, you take him. Cause of that your heart want.
Yeah, me I go just finally make up my mind. Come tell mommy say me kinda like him.
Yeah, so yeah, just sleep on it. Just sleep with him. Yes, if you dream about him tonight, you know say yeah, destiny, God pick that for you.
True.
So you have to just sit down and sleep on it. But why? Yeah, me G, me no want to see you suffer, you know, cause oh God, me can't just imagine the hardship for you, know.
Me I think about it again.
Yeah, sit down on it, think about it. What think about if you want a trade or something, cause me know say you got school, but your school class more than how you attend class.
Right this.
So, what me can say to you now, ask yourself if you don't say, yeah, me want to deal with him. Just ask yourself that deep in your heart. Ask your brain if you're willing to work through hardship or go through anything or if you struggle. You know that way there, just sit down and question yourself. Ask yourself if you're willing to deal with him. Also if you don't know say you don't have nothing. Just ask yourself that, cause they must suffer, you know.
And broke life no fit me again.
You see how hard all eyelash them if you blink too hard you could push me go over there so.
Aye.
So yeah, so may I say, just ask yourself if you want it or not. So if you want it, you go for it, you go towards it, you work towards it. Cause it one, maybe I don't think I know like a secret say to one like each other, you know. So, from
everybody know no.
Yeah, so I may say so that would be a problem or not. So you can just do your books and do your maths and just now about the thing, man.
Actual girl.
Either way, so me have my papa and go out this.
Oh.
He could soon come back or I don't know. But I'm gonna sit down here for a while. Because I got nothing to do. And I don't got a nigga to think about. So I'm free. I gotta sit down and use my Wi-Fi. Yes.
Me I can't go up the road before you see woman a match come for me, girl. I send me out.
Cause girl, I force me. Hey, your mama can't watch you, you know? We don't know why I watch you for your big great tone, girl. You have to stand up for yourself and tell her, say, mommy, I'm old, I'm big enough, I can make my own decision.
You see me under the roof, girl, so.
That too, me think of Go on, boy, busy. You don't have a chat.
Me I tell a girl.
Just have a sit down and suck salt.
Mm-mm.
Yeah, girl.
How long me call her, man?
Me just a reach because me the upper mommy and start out some things.
Talking about her, this morning, I see me, you know. Not chat base sitting about me a cruff on my bro pocket boy and sitting, you know.
All that thing you really say?
What do you mean? So me no good boy for you. You
Eh?
must some money man business in your fear and them a sitting here.
Indeed, I tell me say, me not fit talk to you about anybody me mind say, you know.
Anybody your mind say? You see your mind say me?
Yeah, kinda.
Kinda.
Anything can happen.
Me don't understand that kinda.
Yeah, yeah.
You know, so unsure about me. I work with him. I work with him. Cause a long time I like her still. From where a little pit I grow.
Yeah.
But now you two follow my mother do, you know.
Me know. But show me under the roof and then something this so.
So you can't come out and come under my roof. No show me my mother live, you know. I want a room, I want a space, you know, everything, you know.
Eh.
Yeah.
Me don't know about that part. Me I got think about
Me I
this
tell you,
thing.
man, nobody think about it, man. When you think of it, you don't think. Nobody think about it. Just do it.
Me I see what can go on.
Yeah, I think that me come move you.
Correct, no man, me just a frustrate me. Me can't bother.
So you say, I come move you tonight.
Me have some things to start up on my yard too.
Like what so?
Clothes to wash and then something there.
So in the machine on me yard can't put them in, man.
I know man, me can't go nowhere and now here Sunday something there. Me have just take me little time. I have to take me little time.
You don't like man, I just talk with me.
No, me like it for real. But things take a little time. You don't know that song there too.
Me know word to word, man.
Yeah man, things have to take a little time. Watch out. No man, me this
You have a devil to Father God. Your mother alright.
He must good.
She left on medication.
Me not sure.
They don't turn up. They don't turn up.
Me don't know.
Me scan everything okay?
You see, to me want you hear what me I say clearly. Me wait till that big truck that pass. You see that big truck there, my uncle are driving. And me no want thing up. Tell me friend that a few woman say, he see me and argue with you upon the road, so me I wait till the car.
No argument nothing go on, man. Just
Alright,
easy.
wait. Let's go deal with it. Cause you feel say me an idiot.
What you think glove in on a man?
He say I'm not saying thing.
You know, have no man. If you have a man, you have to have kill us, yeah.
Then something my friend a tell me about skills, you know.
You might tell us how you man. She not a man, you know, for you have no man neither.
Hello. You see, to me you hear what me I say loud and clear, and I never want him to hear for the call of my name to your woman. Let me tell you something. Me warn you about my daughter already. And it's like you're not take heed, you're not listening, you're not hear me, you're deaf.
You know what is love?
What is love?
Hmm?
I don't know. Explain and tell me.
And
Because you are
that's why
the
I'm
word
so.
love and you don't know the meaning.
And that's
of
why
love.
you behave so.
Okay, because you don't teach me love, don't.
Me
That's
not
why
have
me
to
don't
teach you.
know.
You're a big man.
And who you look on your head? Look on your favorite drunkard. Come look on my good daughter on road. I come turn up. Fish you see I sound like a low class, dirty boy.
You want to give
And
that a man who have
roadside
money.
you turn up and talk to her.
You want to give that a man who have money. You know what have money do? They ain't shit up. They can get an infection. But them if you get money, you don't know where they end up get money. Man can't touch them, they can't touch man for money. That I go on the road, remember that stay broke and pauperize and hustle hard. And can't make 155,000.
Exactly.
Rich man, the rich man if you do, then why out and freak
You
out
know what
themselves
fast
for
life
money.
come with?
You watch people how them and live for them life.
Me not-
Look how you are live for your life. Because I don't know what you
live
they
my
do.
life, so.
I want to tell you, say, make you can't leave him alone. Be a roadside and not turn up and talk. 'Cause you know you can't carry him.
He just a talk to me.
About what? But what? Nothing constructive.
What you mean nothing constructive?
You need to find yourself a job. You little girl. You're 20 and you act like I say you're 16. You.
Listen, me not do this for your mother. You make her walk, here.
You figure look and walk.
Yeah,
and go
right,
comb your
Alright.
head. You feel some dirty madman. Look on your toenail them. Look here. I in some people don't
Mommy,
know
tap it, man. Are your friend's son?
So
He don't up on road with
And
the
your
plan, he
friend's
don't
son.
look good.
look how you can this ghosting.
You don't deal with him, so man,
Then
up on
this
road
the
with the plan.
gingivitis going at people mouth and it like he have been in two. It boy look like he not be
See
a
how
man.
people up there say, you know, people turn and go run, we run go tell Charmaine.
Show up. What your name can do more than just
He can't do
and
nothing.
load up him out. Load up our dirty mouth as usual. And you know here, if you in love with Jabon so much, why you
Never
don't go
tell
and
us
stay
me
with
in love, me
Charmaine
tell
and
us
Jabon? Because Jabon don't have nowhere for himself. And mama yard he live just like how you live for your mama yard. And my roof you under.
Yeah.
Right. Full of attitude. Fine. It's your front.
Lord God.
And you is 22. So, and Jabon are the same age group. You need to go live with Jabon. Go and go live with Jabon. Me no want to have me yard since as me can't talk to you. Since as me can't talk
So
to you,
when
need
this
to go
stop
live
on
with him.
big road, they embarrass me.
No, me have to embarrass them. I want to whole like people them here in our area because you have no ambition. Look at the type of man we go there with. Dirty Jabon and not even work. And in toenail they look like a worm and name them out. Eh? He no have no money and my mind they depend on how you go survive if him breed you. Eh?
Alright, see people are pass.
Alright,
Don't
see people
know.
are pass. So you want me to take time talk to me see people are pass. But you hide and have sex with Jabon. I want him breed and give you triplet. You go come out of my house. Go live with Jabon. Come on and use protection. And look on Jabon like he don't bathe from morning. Eh? Eh? This is why Jabon pass me in front like a drunk or feather. Eh? Can you imagine? Eh? So you want to go rub up with the junk or feather and come in my house? Go live with Jabon. You hear me I tell you? You see how you Jabon? Wait till when me see you. Wait till me see you. And you look at me say you want me and your mama to fall out in a boy.
In a reach this, so you not for reach this, so.
All you must see too pretty till a damn blasted fool. Eh? Look how Jabon ugly. Eh? Look how your head turning a comb. And look how smiling on. I'm my clothes them in my wear. Other day me see me now one piece of slippers they look like a hit. Brand new slippers to look good enough. Nah ticker. Where you get it from? Tiffy.
How you know say a thief in thief? I
I
can't
saw me here a road. And any you there with thiefing man.
I
When
saw you love
Jabon
here,
breed you,
say.
me at this one that the grand picnic there. Come in no one no thiefing grand picnic. You want me to tell you? Okay.
We just are talking, no saying a reach, no breeding stage.
Yeah, let me tell you something. I have a friend. And he have money. Jabon don't have no money.
So who are your friend?
Right now, me ignorant for Jabon. Because Jabon no want look at work. And Jabon and you is like a sister and brother.
No, we are not family.
Because we grow up together, it no matter.
We not
And
the same
me
blood.
and Jabon, me chat it 1,000,000 times, I go chat it again. Me and Jabon mother is like this. But she act like a jackass when me a correct her about her son. Yeah, put your mouth on me picnic. And me can't talk to she about
People gone tell her say
me
you
a tell
cuss
about
job
my
and
friend.
a disgrace
Make them
job.
go along, me and go can chat. But me a tell about my friend.
Alright, who are your friend?
My friend have money. And he's saying like yo. My friend, me buck up my friend today earlier, you know. And my friend tell me how him a go look about the money cause I checking out. And him a go send 7 million in my account and him a go give you
So
almost 20.
You know where you get money from?
Oh, you mean?
Where
You
you
win
get
a
it
lot
from?
oh.
How you sure about that?
Make sure my friend not tell me no lie. Leave me alone. So I broke pocket man I love talk to. So which mother, which parents, even if I lie, my friend they tell. Even call it say a lie. Can me believe him. Even if I lie.
Saying can't come tell you
Which
anything I
parent
believe in.
go see man, they offer them money and have money if you can help them daughter and say no and turn it down. Well, make me prove you say a lie, I don't care. I'll me do me sorry and say this until that I me turn around and bust in your head. If me find out say a lie in the tail. But me nah make you talk to no broke pocket man with no money. At least me know say, yeah, my friend always buy lotto, you know. Cause me and him used to buy. So that's why I believe him. Even if I lie, they tell me believe him. So
Okay.
at least me not send out to no broke pocket man. My friend like you and he want you.
So you know if me like him, I want
Me no
him.
know, me just I tell you. Well, if you not like my friend, like him money.
Mommy, me not too really in that, you know.
Oh, so you're not too in my friend. Because my friend a big man and Jabon a boy.
So a big
But
man.
my friend have money. And Jabon don't have any.
So I cannot go there with him then.
There we do.
Since he have money.
Girl, if me ever take off them feather there for your ear with the quinty back, you wouldn't like what I do with it today. A man has a rank with me. And no long out your mouth, so come on from my foot. No call long out. Say sorry,
Sorry.
Come go like you not feel it. Oh, God. Sorry, mommy.
Sorry, mommy.
How you talk to so? Just while when me come see a dirty job when in a sweet talking, you know, me sure you can't talk.
We never did a sweet talk.
Nice up,
We
and
never-
this and that when you go on in. But I'm your one current with. Eh? A job one. Oh, okay. A job one tell if you talk to me so.
Stop call him.
You're lucky
Stop
saying
call
God.
up his boy name.
How that tell him sit me and see. You lucky saying gone. So job one tell us if you talk to me.
He
then
never
you-
says so. What make you? I saw you hate him with a passion.
Me no like him. I don't even like the thread we're sewing clothes because he no want look no work with.
God.
He's a non-ambitious, dirty dog.
All right, Lowy this so
I'm
man.
going to tell you something about my friend Shani. Jabon mama,
Mm-hmm.
I'm a friend, but me not tell no lie. You see the dirty style where Jabon have, I mind get it from. I know him pa. Jabon father, a good father, and y'all did that look me too, but me didn't want him kind of there with my friend.
Mm.
A good man, but true Shamian a war. Shamian used to do prostitution, and so me meet him on the bridge because he used to sell front too.
Oh, bruh.
So little most me breed, I don't know if you papa. Lucky one man see me love me off and then me say, you know, me settle down. When me dash my front so, and me dash my front round there so.
I saw you did that go
Me
on, so I saw you want me to come go on
me
now.
used to do it, that's why me don't want you to do it. And that me I tell you now. Me want you to take up a good man where win lotto and you have money. Me no want you to fling your front all over the place. And then you don't know when you breed who are the daddy.
All right, me I
And
hear
lucky
you.
thing me did settle down and know who are for your papa.
Me go think about it still.
See your father come from Senti.
Mm-hmm.
One of the red type of man them. But you me love them kind of color man there.
Me too.
And he used to treat me good. That's why I settle down with him. So me want you find one good man and he did take care of you too. You know, so you grow up nice.
Mm-hmm.
Me no want you come there with dirty thinking job when you're not brushing teeth. Job when I name out a dirty plate. Champion see me the other day and tell me say Jamon name out a plate and don't wash it and she cook and she out it back in a dirty plate again kind of want wash it. You know what I'm saying? Sit down me? A dirty boy. You can go and go call up my name back to Jabon and tell him say this is so.
God.
Go and go call up my
Me
name
not-
to
me
Jabon.
not
Come
that.
realize say anything me tell you about nobody, you go back go tell him. My friend I look for Jabon. Jabon a thief, him more money can come give you. All the
What
jobs
you
where
tell me and me go carry?
all the draws where you can't come over here that day, Jabon tell you about him buy panty for you in a store. I'm my draws in thief come give you a damn fool.
Well, me never wear it.
Missy Shamin in that the draws they don't a beach already.
All right.
When she say she ain't no bad suit and we go at Sweet River. We go at Sweet River first and have one picnic there and then we race a friend them go down a beach at center. Me see her in that dress there is don't job one buy no panty gear. The boy a liar than he now work. Leave him alone and talk to Popeye. Popeye win the lotto.
Me I think about it.
Me a choke.
So I don't a yard me I go now. No.
I don't talk.
Mm-hmm.
Then go on.
So where you go?
Me a wait right up to see if me see my friend Popeye have a the kind promise me.
So you don't know where you live?
He know me live but me don't want him over me yard.
All right then.
Oh boy.
Yes, I hear me come check. How long we are friends for? Long time. Not sure.
Too long.
Yeah. We get to find out, say, your son and Candy daughter in a local business.
How you know everybody business before them?
Everybody know everybody business before them. I know what I want. I know what's going on, and right now, why you tell your son to back away from her. Stay far from her. Me your friend, and I don't want my friendship end. So tell him to stay far from her because I like that girl and I love that girl and I see a passion in that girl and I want to change that girl.
Yeah. So what's so bad with job one? If she like him and him like her, what
He
is the
doesn't have
problem?
money. It's money make the world galley up.
You think say she go digger? Eh?
Me never say
Want
she a
you
gold
for
digger.
money?
Alright, yo, I go and give your son, give you $2 million to tell your son to back away from her. And me win the lotto. And when I say that I have the check, I don't change it
Hey, a
again.
joke you make. A joke you make. You could never win lotto and come so.
No, me not get the cash yet, but me have the check. Me I go make them put it in my account. You think me I eat have to collect the cash at the Supreme Venture and carry come here? Come do it.
So if you win the lotto, may I hear them a call out? Where you buy tickets?
You know, Sav, me win the lotto. Me win the lotto. Me win the lotto.
So you talk about chin before you can give me the 2 million and come
No,
there
you're
with
too old.
me.
You're too old.
Hey,
Me I get old, you I get old.
exactly. The oil of the moon, the sweet of the shine. You
No.
know about that, man.
When me and you old, you know, we can't get it together. Chin can't give me one glove child. He can't give me all 6.
No,
12.
man, you not see the 2 children in love. The 2 children is in
You know
love.
what is in love? You know what is in love? When you're in love with somebody, you flourish them with things.
And that me I talk about.
No, me you can never
Come
know.
on, man. Instead of
listen.
give me the 2 million for keep my mouth and tell him for backward, give me the 2 million and me and you just do a thing.
No. Tell your son to back away. We can't get right now. You have to give me 2 months. You tell him
2 months, you don't win nothing, man. A joke you make, but win nothing. 2 months.
we win. What you tell me say?
Mommy,
What happened?
I already talked to you, bro, and we talked to Chin then, once I can pull up on my disgrace, man.
Yes, man. Yes. Finally, my friend has some sense, man.
I
Yeah.
talk about how he find money, man, for woman, for daughter and sitting.
Oh, wow.
So me I wonder, who are going to tell me,
Yes.
say me love that.
Can this smart,
I'm
man.
still love her right now, no matter what she tell me, say me not top love her.
No, man. Something.
Me I
No.
wonder which money man that come and tell her, say, man, them have money, you know. You know what them do, forget the money, you know.
Exactly,
Man
my
can touch
son.
them and them touch man. And they go give that an infection. But you don't know them or something there.
What the backside they turn up to start talk about? What you talk about?
Hi. Nobody raise
Let
your
me
voice
talk
in
about.
me yard.
Let's
Yeah.
turn the pass in place right now.
I know
Well,
you
if
me
the
a talk
cap
to.
fits.
I know you me.
So where you rise up
So
so
where you rise up
far?
for?
If the
But
cap
you
not
have to-
fit,
you
where
have
you
to-
rise up so
I
far?
want-
No, because when we talk about money, man. When we talk about
Yes,
money,
some
man.
money man. No, some man they will make money. No, they all they get it. Man touch them or
Me
them
win
touch
my
man.
lotto, you know. Me win my lotto. So I don't know what you talk about. And me, she a talk about.
And I tell them,
And he might come chat
and
to
I tell
me.
me, say, me ugly and sitting.
Oh.
And me know say me have a mirror, but me don't know, say,
Ah,
he
how
ugly and me,
she?
you know.
Oh God, me didn't know what to
You
can
were looking at the
recently,
mirror
you
this
know.
One of
morning.
me yard,
You
yeah.
were looking at the mirror this morning.
Look on yourself.
Yeah, me's a handsome boy.
I money make you feel so.
Anyway,
Handsome
talk
which
to your
part?
son and tell him to back away
Back where
from
which
my
part?
empress.
Wait, back with which part?
We have
If
to
the
find a
2
different
children
empress.
is in love, love them.
We are age group. You come like you're a 50, 60-year-old man or 70-year-old man. And you want a young girl, so 22-year-old.
You
A
know,
big
say,
woman you should fit there with.
you know, say this boy brat. Eh?
See, my son have sense.
There we do.
My mother.
I can't do with my friend. She's like
So
sister.
how you can there with your friend daughter?
That
That no
different.
worse.
Like a niece.
Exactly. That worse, you know. It no
like a
look good.
niece.
So what I
It
try?
no look
Two of
good.
try fight me out of
No, me not.
Me not.
You watch I fight me now with 2 years you make a what? You want one little lot of
you work,
me a hustle.
you have money.
Me a hustle.
How, what you call hustle?
Do you know hustle?
What is hustle?
Me we go up on the road and see one little set of one big and say, yo, look what my father, if no good, me bring empty bucket them.
Honest work.
I mean just
Honest
really
work,
I
not
see-
pure
Nine.
gambling.
9 to 5 can't put food on
I
table.
lie that tell. How me I live so long?
Because you know no chicken child. You don't have no chicken child.
So how mother take care of me so long?
You know what kind of work your mother used to do? You
How
know
I
what?
try say?
Make it on. Me not go there so. For me, for know, and for you, for find out.
Hey,
Mother used to work
come on
in
to
a
me,
meat
I
shop.
care your pretext,
Me
man.
chop? And that you tell her something you used to work in a? Yeah man, she used to work in a the meat shop.
And she
And the money I run.
Huh?
You not run no money.
Which money?
So if you not run no money, step.
When you see your son
Step,
back away
man. Step.
from the
You
Empress,
can't tell my
then-
son who for love, and you can't tell that little girl who her heart can belong to.
How you in love without money?
Hey, you go look for your gold digger girl.
So like you some money for the if you look woman, make your money done right now and see gone left you. For your more man with
No, she got our children, and the children's gonna have children, and the
I
other children
wonder
gonna
if
have
Candy
children.
know the plan you make for your
Then-
if you
daughter.
breed that, if you breed him right now, you know. If you breed that right now, them say pick me take money. So me not get no, but me say pick me take a whole heap of money.
Yes, and I don't have a problem
So,
with that.
listen me out. When you see me girl them brown now look. We didn't see nowadays. If them have a Barbie, them a Dolly.
Yeah.
And you have to can and Dolly no cook.
You know, say, are
Girl,
you
now
make your
watch.
son spoil like this?
While
You have a son, you have to send him go look work.
me's a
We
hustler.
need workers, and
What
we have
kind
enough.
of, you
mean
don't
work
do
for
no
the-
work.
You can't
If you
rake up-
never win the lottery, you would don't put your backside same as everybody
Alright,
else
you
in
know,
the yard.
you know,
Eh?
bro,
I go on like say you have
If you
anything.
broke right now and I make you and I win
And
like
you
what
still
do right now?
can't prove it. You
Well-
just chat.
What you do right now?
Work as usual.
What kind of work? 9 to 5, right?
Would you say me do 9 to 5?
So what kind of work that then?
Yo, tell us
For your
what kind
gamble-
of
for
work.
your-
Me
can
don't
be
know what
kept for
kind
the
of work
9
you
to
do.
5,
Must scam, you scam.
Scam and look so.
Because me no understand.
jogger.
You
No
talk
real
about say
jogger.
you have this big money and you can't produce nothing.
You
Eh?
see, if you love your son, talk to him. That's
mean
all
by
me I
that?
tell you. If you love your mother, talk to your
What
mother.
you mean by that?
You see, if
Who you threaten?
you love one life, talk to no
Oh,
one
I
another.
threat. Oh, who you threaten,
You
yes,
threat,
sir?
you know.
Come
You
out to
promise.
me yard
You
with your
listen me out.
threats
Me
and
my
your
friend.
fake promises.
Like I have money them, I'm going there, you want money. I like me going them, man.
You see,
That's not
you see, you are your son.
You
now you're a friend.
really are coming to my yard, Papa, and I threaten me and my son in my yard.
Me not check you.
Check him.
Me just a say, if you love your son, talk to him. If you love your mother,
Out,
talk
out,
to
out,
him.
out,
You
out,
love
out,
yourself.
out, out. Me love myself. That's why you not protect my brain today. Think some money can frighten we.
Me say, if me asleep and a mosquito just comes and zoom,
Worry yourself, man.
me know it's a jawbone.
Come out to me yard with your foolishness.
Me say,
Come out to the yard with your
if me asleep
foolishness.
and a mosquito says zoom, a
Where you
jawbone.
go to boat? You can make a one room for yourself, daddy. 6 foot deep.
Go on, man.
Check me.
It's a promise.
You bring the threat first. Come out to me yard.
It's a promise.
Bye-bye.
All right.
Kind of devil.
Sure.
Boy, will win lottery. You must have think so we're born yesterday.
Intel, man. My friend them can give me one check.
No, man, no bother with it. No bother with it.
I see me can
You know, sir, so in turn.